with a new episode of literally my favorite series on the channel, and that is Strangers Makeovers.
We are gonna stop some strangers to offer a free makeover today.
What is the part that you hate the most about your apartment? The kitchen?
Yeah, we have a really small and unfunctioning kitchen.
Yeah, I know. In Tel Aviv, to have a good kitchen is very hard.
Absolutely.
How much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
Oh, it's like a 4.
A 4?
Yeah, I would say 3.
Okay.
It's that.
Okay. What are the problems?
It's tiny, there's no space for storage, and very little working space.
Okay. I'm an interior designer, and I'm offering a free makeover. So I will show you a few pictures of the jobs that I did in the past. And if you like them, I have a proposal for you.
Okay. Oh my god, so nice. Wow. Wait, can I see that one again?
Okay, I did not see your place, but I'm telling you that you can give me any budget you feel comfortable with. It doesn't matter how low it is, it doesn't matter how high it is.
Okay.
One day, and I will transform completely your kitchen. Are you in?
Yeah.
Okay! Can I hug you?
Yes.
Today's episode is a bit special to me because I literally fell in love with this couple. They are adorable. They just moved into this new apartment and the kitchen is a disaster. Emma literally just moved to Tel Aviv to follow her heart, and Shaked instead was already living here, and now they have their own apartment. And we are gonna make it look great. Okay, it's finally makeover day. We have everything set. I ordered everything. It's all in my head, but before we kick them out, let's go through what you hate, what you love, what you would want out of this kitchen.
We hate it all. We want everything out. We want everything new.
Yeah, we want storage. We have none. That's really important for us.
mainly to make it pretty.
Okay.
It has nothing pretty about it.
Yeah.
Storage and stylish. First.
Yes.
First.
Storage style.
I also thought about a way to extend your cutting area so you have storage and more
Yes,
cutting.
working
That's
space.
what we need. Working space would be amazing.
We work in the air. We cut things like this, like Kindle them. Yeah.
You know the game like that they throw like watermelons into the air? Like,
Right now.
That's what we have to do. There's
exactly.
no space.
Then you promised me that a washing machine is coming. We
Yes.
don't have it yet, but we need to create a storage also for the washing machine.
Yes, it's on
Hidden,
its way.
because we want it pretty. And then what else? The colors that you sent me were all very white,
Very
fresh,
neutral, white,
clean.
fresh, something to make it to match the space. It's very light, it's very white.
I can't tell you what I'm doing, but nothing is gonna look the same.
Oh my gosh, I'm like so happy.
So I told them that I would do this in one night out, but I'm afraid because of all the painting that needs to dry, so maybe it's gonna be 2 nights. But yeah, for the moment I'm telling you 1 night out.
Okay.
Okay.
We can do that.
So
Yeah, bye guys.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Good luck with her.
bye.
Bye.
To transform this kitchen, we literally have 2 nights and $500. Let's see how it goes. Like always, I asked them to send me pictures of their dream space and then what they envision, what they would love, what is the colors, what are the vibes. They sent me these pictures that I actually thought were perfect for the space because it's a super tiny kitchen and we need to make it way more airy. And having light colors and wood is definitely the right choice. Okay, we got the entire place empty and finally it's time to start. As I told you, I want to change all the coloring of this kitchen. That means tiles, and paint. We're gonna start with the floor just so that once it's done we can just walk over it and not be bothered by it. So we need to clean first, which I'm horrible at. And most important part of the day, we have Shaka helping us. I hope she's gonna be with me forever because she's amazing, but yeah, we have a helper. Time. I ordered this one on Amazon, so finally you can also order it online. It's not in my local store. It had so many good reviews and it comes with its own sticker on the back, so it's easy. Literally one of the simplest things ever. You take the sticker away, try to make one print match the other print, and stick it down. Okay, so at a certain moment you're gonna end up with tiles that don't fit with the place where you want to place them. I want them to finish here, and I'm gonna show you how to cut this. This looks pretty awesome! And if you don't like it, you have some serious issues, now let's go and squash it to be sure that it doesn't move. Once the floor was done, it was literally already looking so much better because it gave it so much more a breezy vibe, but we have to do the same thing on the wall. The kind of tiles that we put on the wall are completely different from the ones on the floor that are very resistant. The ones on the wall are more soft, so it's a bit harder to apply them, but don't worry, you can still do this. And I would recommend using smaller shapes of tiles. So the squares that I'm using are 30 by 30 anyway, but they design as little subway tiles that make it obviously a lot better. Time for the wall. Even in this case, the technique is pretty simple. You take off the sticker that is on the back, and I suggest you to place it from the most external part going inside. Because this is thinner and also made with little corners because of the little tiles, it is a bit harder to stick, but once you get the flow, it starts becoming simple. Just be careful because if you try to detach it, it could rip. Before we go any further, it's time to thank our Patreon subscribers. A big thank you to Shahar Shams, to Anais L, to my mom, to Layla, to Shalom, to Zari, to Asia, to Kismet Sarkin, and let's go back to our video. This is pretty sick! Okay, I know you think this looks already completely different. It is night, but it's time to do the countertops, and there is a secret. You cannot just paint it and it's not enough to wash it. We need to sand the top because we want to take away every single residue. This way we're gonna be 1,000,000,000% sure that this is gonna look like a real stone. Let's go. Look how dirty. You literally have to clean it because it's gonna be full of dust, and after that I cleaned also the bottom of the sink. So much disgusting things, and only after that I started the painting process. Once I finished with all the cleaning and all the sanding and scraping off of the disgusting little things that were attached, it was finally time to paint. What I used and what you should definitely use is a paint for ceramics or super shell that we have here in Israel. I do not know what is in Israel, but it has to be a paint that is way more resistant than normal. Otherwise, it's not really gonna apply as smooth as it should be. Even though we are gonna put epoxy at the end because we are professionals. Probably slept a total of 10 minutes last night, and like every proud, sleep-deprived Italian person, there is just one thought on my mind: pesto pasta. So let's go make some. Now I know that you were not even paying attention to my recipe because you were obsessed by the beauty of my pans and pots, and I would be too because I have been obsessed with this set for ages. Buon appetito. It's from Caraway. It is in ceramics. It is non-stick. It is toxic free, and it's literally the most Instagrammable, beautiful, and appealing set of pans that you can have in your kitchen. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it better. Ah, you want a discount code? No worry, my friend. I've got you covered. We are back with day number 2. The first day just flew away. It was way too fast for me, but we did the tiles, we did that white, we did the flooring. Now it's time to go and fix all the little ugly thing, and that means all the holes that we have on the wall, that ugly sort of window that we have up over there, and especially this pipe. It was time to take out all the leftovers that were dead inside the wall, and then finally go and cover with some spackle all the holes that I had left so that I could paint them later. And then I had to clean this window. It was so dirty, and then I painted it white. I did the same thing with the boiler. Okay, little house tour. So I do not know if this is only in Israel or if it's all around the world, but the boilers do need an exit. For a reason that is unexplainable, they put this in the kitchen, but we have the bathroom just here, so I'm gonna take you in the bathroom, make a hole in the ceiling, pass the pipe inside there, so it goes in the shower, and it's gonna look so much neater. It was literally raining dust inside my eyes, so I had to cover them, and I did this blindly. Now, because I am am a good friend, I'm gonna show you the best discovery of my life. This is absolutely not sponsored, but it changed my finishing so much. When I put silicone, usually I just go with a dish soap and my finger to make it flat, but first of all, it doesn't work with long nails, and second, it's never really perfect, but this literally changed my life. The silicone doesn't stick on this, and you can change the head according to what kind of curve you want to make it to the ending. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna leave you the link down below. It's incredible. Step 1, silicone. Step 2, let it up, and I just did it on every single corner. It came out perfect. Then I cleaned also the electric plug-ins so that I could place them right new on top, and cleaned also the bottom of the sink, putting some silicone also over there. Coming back after a break, I carried like 30 slats of wood. This is the smallest. Up the stairs, and that is because it's finally building time. We're gonna make all the shelving, the pretty ones there, and all the closets, and finally the space for the washing machine, the extra cutting space. Yay! It is time to hang all the shelves, and then I obviously needed some more equipment, so I took out my hot beautiful equipment to hammer it in and also to screw all the pieces inside, and then it was time to cover all the electrical holes, sockets in the wall, because that was like disgusting and dangerous, so I closed also that one away. We literally did transform everything that we could modify, and now it's time to do the real builds. We want to make a way bigger cutting area and surface so that they can cook, and also a lot of storage. So, watch me. Let's not forget that we need to add the holes to put all the pipes all the way to here, because here is where our washing machine is gonna be. Space is literally taking shape. I need to add doors now to that. And this is what we're gonna do it. We need to use a special, there we go. A special hole maker. It's gonna make a huge hole with which we can put these on the side. It works literally like an IKEA closet, so it shouldn't be hard. This was literally my first time creating a closet from scratch, and I have to say it was way easier than I expected. Creating these holes is pretty easy because it comes with a pre-sized drill. So after that, all you have to do is exactly follow the same IKEA process. Then I decided that the foot of the kitchen was kind of disgusting, so I replaced also that. It's 2 a.m. and we still need to cover our entire kitchen surface with epoxy. The reason that I'm so silent is because I'm afraid to wake up all the neighbors. So let's put this up. It's gonna take 7 hours to dry, but they say 72 hours to make it like 100% cured. So we have tonight to let it cure. So I have a sort of natural border on this countertop, so it means that I do not need to put like all the plastic over here like every single video I saw. The only part that I'm protecting is the sink. Let's mix them. The secret here is just to mix the same amount of one liquid and the other, and then just start carrying it around so that it can level itself on its own, and then I use the heat gun to go faster, cause I like cheating. It is finally reveal day, and I am so excited. I cannot wait them to come and see the place. It's time to put on the final shelves, do some styling, clean up the space, cause I made a mess. This was literally a last minute idea, and I think it's my favorite part of the entire kitchen, adding a little bit of shelving on the entrance side of the closet. Ladies and gentlemen, Mindy to the rescue!
Here we go! With power tools.
To bring them back to the apartment. I was so thrilled. You have no idea. I was literally shivering. Just look at the reaction. Hey, wait, are you not subscribed yet? Do it now, because we do incredible DIYs every single Monday. Let's go. Keep them. Keep them close.
Should I keep on walking forward?
Stop.
Okay, my eyes are closed.
What? Keep your eyes closed. Okay, do you remember how it looked like before?
Yeah.
Can you describe it to me?
Ugly. Small.
Hard to touch.
Ugly color.
Brown. Or try not to touch it.
Okay, are we ready to see it?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. What the fuck? How did you do this?
Oh my word, I'm gonna cry.
This is amazing.
Oh my god, it's incredible.
Welcome to your new kitchen.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my word.
Wow, you're so
Oh my god.
I'm so happy.
This is amazing.
It's gorgeous.
It's so big. It's huge and wide.
Can you make me lunch today?
Oh yes, I can make you everything. I can make you